Parents, stop scrolling. If you're tired of hauling a car seat and a stroller, I've found the ultimate game changer. The Doona Car Seat and Stroller, Nitro Black, Midnight Edition, and its latch base. It's sleek, compact, and turns heads for all the right reasons. But is it worth the price? Let's find out before you buy. Product 1. Doona Car Seat and Stroller, Nitro Black. The Nitro Black edition is Doona's sleek, convertible car seat plus stroller in one. Ideal for city parents, travelers, or Uber families. Pros: one-click fold-out stroller, FAA certified for flights, space-saving and stylish. Cons: heavier than typical infant seats. No storage basket. Customer review: game changer for quick errands and flying, super smooth and easy to fold. Great for newborns up to 35 pounds. Product 2. Doona Car Seat and Stroller, Midnight Edition. Love the features but want a sleeker look? The Midnight Edition brings premium fabric, black wheels, and a luxury finish. Same all-in-one function. Pros: same one-click transition, gorgeous matte black frame. Cons: premium look equals higher price, still no under-seat storage. Customer review: stylish and practical. We get compliments constantly, worth every penny. Product 3. Doona Latch Base. The Doona Latch Base makes car transfers fast and safe. Install once in your car, then just click your Doona in or out. Pros: easy, secure connection, visual indicators for safe angle. Cons: sold separately, not ideal for smaller vehicles. Customer review: simple setup, makes moving between cars fast and safe for busy parents. So, who should get this? If you're a city parent, frequent traveler, or want hands-free convenience, the Doona travel system is made for you. It's perfect from birth to toddlerhood, especially when paired with the latch base for extra safety. Links in the description to shop now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more must-have baby gear reviews.